Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shisak Tombo. Ajibe apni khan lagi de moi notun video loi na aise. Apni khan jodi mola channel new thakshile morom bra like, share or subscribe kori dibi aur bell icon ke press kori lena bhari dibi so that kitabi moi notun videos khan upload kori shikole do apni taila notification pai jabo. Ajila video de tuma apni khan ke Patkai Christian College log porde ko bole ase. So Patkai Christian College to ekta autonomous college ase which is located in Chumukidima of Dimapur district, Nagaland. Aru itu do nek accreditation ase with A grade which is affiliated to Nagaland University. Patkai Christian College is a liberal arts college established in the year 1974 and the founder principal of this college is Reverend Dr. Toisim A. Shishak. Patkai Christian College has its own motto, vision, goals and objective with the implementation of choice-based credit system in the year 2016. Patkai Christian College is the first college in Nagaland to adopt the choice-based credit system as per UGC guideline. So for your kind information, Patkai Christian College has already started its online admission for the academic year 2021 to 2022. Students apni khan kiman jon planning kore ase apni khan studies khan ke continue korole apni khan itu college ke bhi prefer koro paribo apni khan laga undergraduate noile bhi postgraduate studies khan karne. So ajila video de tuma apni khan ke Patkai Christian College pra do kiman ta courses khan offered kore ase taila eligibility criteria ki ase taila tuition fees khan kiman ase ki facilities khan provide korise etc. Itu sob to moi apni khan ke kobole ase also including hostel fees. Itu sob to ajila video de moi cover korole ase. Apni khan ke request korise apni khan first para last tok sai lubi aru dige para tok share kori dibi apni khan la friends khan lode juntu to planning korise ta khan laga studies khan ke continue korole. Apni khan ke ekta important kotha kobole mon ase that Patkai Christian College pra enga notify korise that students khan kiman jon bi interested ase aru apply korobole mon ase itu college te ta han to physically aibo na parbo hoile bi online mode pra koro lage koina koi ase. So students because of this covid situation ida to apni khan to physically jabo na parbo tate until it gets normal so apni khan to online mode pra hai admissions to kuribo. So if you look at the courses offered by the Patkai Christian College Autonomous undergraduate programs te to inka ase. First it was a Bachelor of Arts aru subjects khan dan offered kora to economics, education, English, history, philosophy aru political science. Number 2 te ase Bachelor of Science aru subjects offered kora to botany, chemistry, geology, mathematics, physics and zoology. Third te ase Bachelor of Commerce aru itu to accountancy ase. Fourth te to ase Bachelor of Computer Application. Fifth te ase Bachelor of Music aru sixth te ase Bachelor of Vocational Degree in Multimedia and Mass Communication. So these are the courses offered by the Patkai Christian College for undergraduate programs. To ita mohan postgraduate programs te ki offered kurase itu to mohan sabo. So if you look at the postgraduate programs, we have Master of Arts and Master of Science. Master of Arts te to tahan offered kura do English aru political science ase. So students kiman jon bi tahan to masters kurobole mon ase tahan to English aru political science ekla kurole parbo. For the Master of Science, students khan botany, environmental science, geology, physics aru zoology te kurole parbo. Along with that, integrated MSc program in botany, physics and zoology are also offered. So students khan apni khan kiman jon interested ase apni khan to eligibility criteria hisab te apply kurole parbo. Also tahan to diploma aru certificate courses khan bi offered kuri ase. Number 1 te to ase diploma in music. Number 2 te ase diploma in counseling. Number 3 te ase diploma in web designing. Number 4 te ase diploma in photography and visual communication. Number 5 te to ase juto to certificate course la ase aru itu to certificate in applied electronics and computer hardwares. Tahan pra to add-on courses khan bi di ase. Students khan kiman jon bi NCC army wing te jabole mon ase noile bi air wing te jabole mon ase tahan to apply korole parbo. Aru ekta important remark tahan pra dina ase that diploma, certificate aru add-on courses khan to only undergraduate students khane apply koro parbo goina koi ase. So postgraduate students khan to itu de to apply korole na parbo. Students khan apni khan kiman jon bi online admission korole planning kore ase apni khan to few documents khan to ready rakhibo lage before ahead so that apni khan itu apply kora dam de problem no hole. Along with that, taila eligibility criteria kiman ase for that particular course, semester fees aru hostel fees khan apni khan kiman dibo lage itu sob to moi apni khan ke ekta chotu video clip pra dikhawala ase. So let's begin. so apni khan to eta video sai kina to bhal pra buji jaise koina moi believe kore ase apni khan karne few things bishi important ase that apni khan kitabi online fee payment korle these terms and conditions apni khan to bhal pra puribo lage apni khan etu terms and conditions khan bhal pra puri lobi aru apni khan ete dikhi thakibo for undergraduate students tan pra ekta note dikina ase that the admission status of students registering for admission without class 11 results will be considered as provisional if shortlisted for admission. Therefore, after the declaration of class 12 board result, you will be required to send the class 12 board exam marks. Students kan kiman jon bi undergraduate apply korole mon ase apni khan la class 12 la results khan do itabi pa nai apni khan jodi shortlisted hoise gole be apni khan do once results paise gole do itu email id de send koribo lage koina koi ase same as for undergraduate students apni khan kiman jon bi postgraduate karne apply kore ase apni khan la undergraduate la mark sheet khan do itu khan do sob itu email id de pathabo lage koina tan pra mention kore ase to apni khan bhal pra itu sabi aru apni khan ke thoroughly janibo mon ase gole do itu la link ma apni khan ke description de hali dibo apni khan jaina tate pra bi sabole paribo so with this I want to end my video thank you and keep watching Shishak Tombo